Good morning, everyone. Today I got some precious piece of information for you that's going to help you find the best NFT projects out there, that's going to make you get the run for your money. And you're going to be able to, after I'm done with this video, I am 100% sure that you will be able to find out the difference between a useless NFT project and a useful project that's going to make sure that you become rich in the future. Now, how do you find out these projects, you may ask? Well, I'll be answering these questions within this video. Now I'm going to be presenting you 4 points, and I'm going to be presenting you sub-tiers within this point, in these 4 points, to make sure that you understand what you're going to be looking for within an NFT project. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video without wasting any time. The first point is the community. The community is what makes a project successful. Let's be real, when you enter a Discord space or when you see those Twitter trends running about this NFT project and you see the hype behind it, you see how people are motivated, how people have dedicated a large portion of their life going into just promoting this project, and you see that actual individuals, not hired bots, but actual individuals are promoting this project because they feel linked to this project as this is part of themselves. And when you go into the Discord community, you see everyone's welcoming and they're trying to help you get more information about the project. You see celebrities engaging with this project. You see them promoting it on their page. That's when you know an NFT project is going to become successful. We know that the NFT space requires clout. If you could find clout for these NFT projects and you see that there's a large fan following with over 100,000 people trying to get into that NFT project, that's what's going to make it successful. And if you get your hands on a project like this, you will become a millionaire, no doubt about it at all. Now, the second part is the team. Why is the team so important? Without good developers, without good individuals that could understand the fundamentals of the project and that could make it develop it from the ground up, you cannot find a successful project. You have to make sure that these individuals have worked previously with other projects. Now, let me give you an example of Doodles, right? Doodles partners up with other projects as well, right? So now if you see that this new NFT project is partnering up with Doodles or Bored Ape, you know that project is most likely going to become successful. And how is it becoming successful? Because the hard work done by the team, the promotion being done by the team. At the end, it's the team that's going to make sure that the project is uplifted. The developers behind the project make sure that it's successful and secure for the viewers so they can become engaged within the whole entire circuit. You have to make sure that the team behind the project is experienced, that it has engaged within previous projects before, and if you're able to find that out, no doubt in my mind you'll become a millionaire. Now, utility. This is probably the most important part of an NFT project. Nobody wants a project that isn't useful. Nobody wants a project that's waste of time, that is just like a random piece of a random picture that's $2. You're not going to see that go 10x. Maybe if you're lucky, you might be able to sell it for $10, but you won't be able to get that project go 100x, right? You need to find a product that has utility behind it. It could be a game, like a character within a game, or a project like Bored Ape, right? You could use Bored Ape NFTs to get into yachts. Obviously, finding NFTs like this, potential NFTs like this, is less likely now because of the saturation within the community. But hopefully, within the future, you'll find a project like this that's going to help you become rich. Now, when you find a project that has good utility, you see that the team behind it is active, you see that the community is active, that's the perfect project right there. But let's not forget one last thing. What is that last thing? The artwork. If the project doesn't have good artwork and isn't appealing to your eye, then it won't be appealing to the person you're trying to sell it to. You have to make sure that the project has perfect artwork. Sometimes the artwork gets compromised, but when you see a person that isn't really new to NFTs, that is new to NFTs, when you see a person that's new to NFTs as a whole, that hasn't been exposed to the NFT community, that person will look at the artwork, then he will look at the utility, then he'll look at the team, and then he'll look at the community, because his main goal is to make sure what's appeasing to his eye. So when you have all 4 of these things together and you combine them and search for those perfect NFT projects using the links in the description, where I'll mention different websites where you could use. Go on to those websites, look for those NFT projects, research about them, and you'll find the perfect NFT project for you that's going to make sure you become a millionaire within the future. So go ahead, go into the link in the description and find the best projects. But before doing that, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to click that